Welcome to the Mountain Plumbing Products installation video for the Mountain Pure point-of-use water filter. Before you begin, please read and familiarize yourself with the instruction manual that came with your product. In here, you will find important safety information and additional guidelines for installing your new water filter. For this video demonstration, we will be installing the point-of-use MT1250XL water filter. We will also be utilizing a Mountain Plumbing point-of-use accessory faucet as our choice for above-the-sink connection. Available in a number of styles and finishes, these faucets are designed to work seamlessly with the Mountain Pure point-of-use water filter. We will now show you how to install a Mountain Plumbing Products MT1250XL Mountain Pure water filter under a kitchen sink. You will need these tools: a screwdriver or hand drill, a bowl or container, a wrench, and scissors. Included with your water filter, you will find quarter-inch tubing to be used during installation. The first step is to find the cold water supply to the main kitchen faucet and turn it off. Next, open the cold side of the kitchen faucet to relieve the water pressure. Now is the time to decide where you would like to install your water filter. The filter comes with a plastic mounting bracket that allows the filter to be placed along any wall in the cabinet. When choosing a location for the filter, make sure the unit has a minimum of 2 inches of space directly beneath it. This space is necessary so that when it becomes time to replace the filter, the process is quick and easy. Mounting the plastic bracket to the cabinet wall is as easy as finding your location, marking your screw locations with a pencil, and drilling in 2 screws to secure. The water filter does come with 2 mounting screws, but feel free to use shorter or longer screws depending on the thickness of your cabinet's walls. You are now going to disconnect the water supply line from the faucet. Have a bowl or container ready underneath the connection point because water will be coming out of the hoses once the connection is loose. Once the supply line is disconnected, find the plastic T that came with the water filter. Screw this plastic T onto the supply stop. Once the plastic T is secure, take the faucet hose and connect it to the top of the T. Hand tighten until snug, then, using a wrench, give a quarter turn to ensure connection, making sure to not over-tighten. Next, find the flexible quarter-inch tubing that comes with the filter and measure out the amount needed to go from the plastic T to the filter head. If needed, cut down the tubing to the desired length, making sure to cut straight and not at an angle. You may also use the entire tube if you would like, as the length of the tubing does not change product function. Take one side of the tubing and push it into the plastic T connection point. Now, take the other side of the tubing and place it into the filter head. Notice the arrows on the filter head indicating the direction of flow. Attach the tubing to the inlet side of the filter head. Your next step is to measure out the amount of tubing you need to run from the filter head to our point-of-use faucet. This accessory faucet is where the purified water from the filter will be dispensed. Take the recently measured length of tubing and place one end into the outlet of the filter head, again making sure the arrows line up with the desired connection. Once both lines are connected to the filter head, mount the filter head onto the mounting bracket installed previously. You now continue by routing the other end of the tubing to the point-of-use faucet. Once the desired length is determined, cut the tubing to the specific length needed, making sure to cut straight and not at an angle. You may also use the entire tube if you like, as the length of tubing does not change product function. Next, attach the plastic adapter which comes with the filter to the threaded shank of the point-of-use faucet. Hand tighten until snug, then using a wrench, apply 1/4 turn more without over-tightening. You can now complete the connection from the filter head to the point-of-use faucet by pushing the tubing into the attached adapter. After all tubing connections are made, the final step is to install the filter cartridge into the filter head on the mounting bracket. Begin by taking the cap off the top of the filter cartridge. Then take the filter head off the mounting bracket. Now line up the ridges on the cartridge with those on the filter head and insert the cartridge. Once the cartridge is in the filter head, turn counterclockwise to lock into place. Then replace the assembly onto the mounting bracket. Also, please note that this is the same procedure to follow when replacing the filter cartridge in the future. The water filter is now successfully installed. Take a moment to double-check all connections are tight. You may now slowly open the cold water supply. This will allow the system to pressurize and you can inspect for leaks. Now open the point-of-use faucet for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the system to fully flush out the filter. Once completed, you now have water that is fresh, clean, and ready to drink. If you have any further questions, please refer to the instruction manual, contact our customer service department, or visit the resources section of our website. Thank you for watching our installation video, and congratulations on your new Mountain Pure water filter from Mountain Plumbing Products, making your design finished.